Hi everybody! Today I have a recipe for you. It's a shortbread cookie recipe because when you go camping or on a long trip and you're walking for a very long time, you need a lot of energy. So come with me and let me show you how to make these adorable little cookies. You will need one big bowl. We are going to mix everything together in this. You will also need little bowls. In the little bowls, you can weigh out your ingredients. You will use the scales to weigh out the ingredients. You will also need a chopping board or a clean surface to work on and a cookie cutter in whatever shape you like. I have a star here today. Of course, you will also need a baking tray and a rolling pin. Okay, let's get started. What ingredients will we need? To make shortbread cookies, you will need the same amount of butter, the same amount of sugar, and the same amount of flour. Look, they are all so different. First, take your flour. It is halfway full. Pour it in the big bowl and then add the butter. Look, it looks so much less. Alright, let's put it in. And now we're going to mix them. But before you mix it, you need to pull your sleeves up. Make sure there is nothing on your hands. And of course that you have washed your hands really well. Okay, let's dive in. You are going to use your fingertips to make little crumbs. Keep going until everything looks very crumbly. Then you can clean your hands. It is now time to add some sugar. Pour in the sugar and mix it all really well. Again, using your fingertips and holding the bowl with the other hand, mix it in really well. Then, using two hands, form your dough into little balls. Alright, now it is time to shape them. Put them on the chopping board and start squishing down. You can use your rolling pin, maybe add a little bit of flour, which I forgot to do, and use your cookie cutter to cut them out. Don't worry if your shapes are not perfect. These cookies are going to be delicious anyway. Keep going until you have enough shapes to fill your baking tray. When you are finished, it is time to cook them. Put them into a very hot oven of 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. When the edges start to brown, your cookies will be done. Pull them out of the oven and let them cool before you try any. Alright, so now I have finished my cookies. Look, they've turned out rather rustic. Maybe yours would turn out a little bit better than mine, but I'm sure they're still delicious. Now you have a perfect shortbread recipe for when you go camping or any other time. So it's right up your sleeve and you can bake it at any time. Let me know how yours turn out in the comments below or send me a message. See you soon!